Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this one. This one's the 1213.LA agency coffee corporation's hat. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what the cap look like. So this one looks like a trucker's cap, but you got this nice embroidery right here. And then on the side or the back panel right here, you got the netting or the mesh. Wow. And then they also did the embroidery on there. And then nothing on this side. So this cap is made by Auto. And here's another logo right here, or embroidery. Let's go and then flip it. This is by Auto International Inc. And then this is what it look like on the inside, on the back of the stitching. Oh yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.